Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from your Android phone to a USB device. Now, this could be really easy depending on your USB device, because on this one it literally just has a USB-C connection on the back of it. And then I don't need an adapter. So if you need an adapter, you can get an OTG adapter. This one, I think, was like $2 or $3 off of Amazon. If you buy from Walmart, it might be more expensive. But you can just connect in a USB device to USB-C, and then this just goes in the bottom of your phone. And it should be good to go. Now, I don't think it usually is a problem with most phones, but if it is formatted incorrectly for your USB, it might not show up on your phone. So if you are getting error where it's not showing up or nothing is appearing, format your USB device to exFAT on your computer, and it should show up. If you have an NTFS, it might not. So knowing that, let's swipe up from the bottom, go to search, and type in files. Now on your Samsung phone, this is going to be called My Files. So let's go to My Files right here, or you can go to Files if you have a regular just Google phone. Then we can see my storage device on here, and we can select it. Here it is. And you can see everything here, like my track meet and stuff. Now we want to go back, and we want to transfer our files. So if we go to the top, we can see all the different options for our files. So if we have audio files, documents, videos, images. So we can just go to one of these, documents. I don't know if I have anything in here. I got some random stuff in there. I'm not sure what all that is. Audio files, downloads. Let's go to videos. Easy enough. And then let's click on a video. And you can select all your videos on the top here if you want to do it that way. It'll make transferring your pictures over easy. And then we can go to copy. And just choose your location. So you can see on the top we got SD card, USB storage. And then create a folder. So there might be an option for a plus on the top. Create a new folder for photos or something like that. And I already have one created, so I'm just going to select into here. Okay, and then copy here. And since it's a video, might be a little bit long. It looks like I already have it in there. So let's replace. And boom, it's copied on over to my USB. And then I can take this to my computer or a different phone, and it can transfer very easy from there on out. So it looks like I have 30 gigabytes on here. And hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.